Hi, my name is Eugene Huschel, and I work for the 332nd CES Power Pro Squadron. We here in the Power Pro shop created a new capability for filtering water. We researched and found a water filtration system and came up with a reverse osmosis deionizing system. We needed something because the raw water had a total dissolved solid content of over 1,000 parts per million. So we've had to find a way to filter the water. We also found that the price of water in distilled or reverse osmosis quality water from the economy was at the $4.50 per gallon cost. And that we thought was kind of excessive. So our next option was to produce our own water. We were able to produce up to 1,000 gallons a day for less than 1 penny per gallon. So with getting that process installed, we saved a ton of money for ourselves, the shop, and our sister units, vehicle maintenance, veterinary services, the electricians. Those other squadrons help build teamwork and build a sense of purpose here in the mission that's all combined. We're working for the same folks, it's doing the same mission, same airplanes, and all the support services are more congealed, more cooperative when we have something to share. And so we just actually have used this as an opportunity to learn more about other AFSCs, work around the base, make friends, and get the mission done with a fraction of the cost.